have been learning E minor music. This time we chose Sadness and Sorrow by Naruto. We are learning how to put the left-hand accompaniment choosing the E minor chord. Also learning the structure and scale of E minor. Here's what we do. Hope you also are learning how the E minor music is composed. Thank you. Let's listen the melody. You see two lines. We play the top line, that means violin 1. First, we play the melody. Start from F sharp. Looking at the sheet music, we start thinking which left-hand chord is the best for each measure. Here is one example. Left hand start from E. C. D. After that, we play E minor triad. When we write E, we play E, G, B triad. F sharp means F sharp, A, C. G means G, B, D sharp. We are using only the basic chord movement, no inversion. Let's listen the melody with left hand E minor triad chord. I'm hoping you understood what we have been doing with E minor. Learning E minor chord means learning G major because they are connecting together. Enjoy composing music and analyzing the music. Thank you so much.